Maths 5 DPS really Parth. Today we're going to be unboxing this SKOOLPlus program that we have got from Allen. As you can see, the logo of Allen. I have heard that Allen is the best institute for preparation of IIT and JEE, and you should probably check it out. So let's start unboxing and not waste any time. It was taking a little time to get the video. As you can see, this is the box, and oh my gosh, it's really wrapped. Man, as you can see, the name of that SKOOLPlus, the program that we have got. So tips are there. Okay, so finally I have opened it up. Oh my gosh, there is so much of stuff. Let's start. So first we get this pencil, eraser, and everything kit, the normal kit. And yeah, so excited. And there is a lot of stationery stuff. You should get it. It's amazing. And next we have got this. We've got some certificates. And over here we have got tons of books. Man, how many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 books. That's a lot of books. Let's take a quick peek of one book. Should we? So there are 2 books of science, 2 books of maths, and 2 books of English. 1 book of reasoning and a book of general knowledge. Let's see if the books are same or not. I don't think so they will be same. Why would they give us? And this is a science book I'm opening. Oh, this is the cover of the science book. This is the cover of the general knowledge book. Oh, we have got one more thing. We have got the answer booklet. Oh, so we can check our answers in the end. So, and this is the logical reasoning, English, and maths. Man, there's only numerals and other numbers. So, in conclusion, these are super books. I haven't seen them, but from the over here there are some questions, and they're really interesting. I'm sure, because Allen is a great. It's the best institute, and I love these books. Thank you, Allen, for sending me these books. Thank you.